Oh, dati met nga sa lakit ko Pakpakyawan namin dagay makalipat nga requestin di ko nada nga madyela na yun. Salain nyo kumaabot ay so itinakugol yan tayo no pantay makisalsala di kasaran. Kompormi mo ti salsalain nyo gamin. So salain tayo kakabsat bagong agawid tani dama nakita ko nga uungin. Pambarak kinita di danom ti ubog. Nalibog. Sige, sala tayo. Ni, datan.
March 16, 1521, when Philippines was discovered by Magellan. They were sailing day and night across the big ocean until they saw a small Limasawa Island. Magellan landed in Limasawa at noon. The people met him very welcome on the shore. They did not understand the speaking they had done, because Castilla get at waray-waray man. When Magellan landed in Cebu City, Raha Humabon met him, they were very happy. All people were baptized and built the Church of Christ, and that's the beginning of our Catholic life. When Magellan visited in Mactan to Christianize them everyone, but Lapu-Lapu met him on the shore and dragged Magellan to go back home. Then Magellan got so mad, ordered his men to come up